Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review, unboxing, and a demo on this blow dryer. This was sent to me by the company. They asked me if I wanted to review it on my channel and I said yes. So this is the Purple Couture blow dryer. It's 1800 watts, cool shots, negative ions. You can remove the filter, 2 speeds, 3 temperatures. It has ion technology, which I don't understand what that is. This helps condition, smooth, and makes hair shinier while reducing frizz. So that's cool. I was looking for a hair dryer for a while because I have very long hair. And I actually, I just took a shower and I was doing my makeup and my hair dried a little bit, not like a lot, but I wanted to wet my hair again to show you guys because this is very important to me. But I was looking for a hair dryer for a long time because, like I said, my hair is very long. Since I shower at night, my hair is still wet when I want to go to sleep, so I feel like I need to schedule my showers so I could have at least 1 or 2 hours so my hair could dry, and it's so irritating. So I'm thankful for this because I want to see if it works. So I'm opening it. Oh yeah. And also I haven't combed my hair because I've noticed that when I comb my hair dries. Which is not a problem, but I want to show you guys how it works. So it comes with bubble wrap. And oh, look how pretty this is. This is purple and it's matte. It comes with 3 temperatures, low, medium, and high. This is what I'm used to normally, and it says high and low, like a standard hair dryer for me. It comes with a thing that holds your cord in place. That's cool because it's attached to it, so whenever you're done using it, you could put it back. Let me see how long this cord is. It seems pretty long. It comes with a guard. I just took it off. I hate outlets. I'm gonna plug it in. I don't know what this is. The thing is so you could hold it like this. It comes with a diffuser, like I said. It comes packaged. Looks like this. Cool. And I think this is called a flathead, but I'm not really sure. And I've seen people use this, not like, obviously not like this. You attached it. So you just attach it. Cool. So let's see how it is. I think it says that it's supposed to be quiet, but I'm not sure. Oh, I was like, why doesn't it turn on? That's because I didn't turn it on. Not bad. You hear that? It's pretty nice. Even. Seems pretty nice. Let's use the... Okay, so if you're gonna be using this for a while, do not touch it because it's not hot, but I wasn't using it for that long. But just be careful because it is hot. How do you take it off? Ah! Use your muscles. Now let's use the diffuser. Oh, this feels pretty nice and comfortable. The heat is pretty nice. The heat is pretty nice. It feels good. I've never used a diffuser before, but I want to try it. This is around the time that I would like to blow dry my hair. When my hair is not too wet, like soaking wet, but it's not dry. My roots dry pretty quickly, but it's mostly like from here to the bottom. That does not want to dry. And obviously when I want to go to sleep, I don't want to wake up with wet hair. Let's read the instructions. So the cool shot button is right here. I don't know what that means. Use a cold shot function for about 15 seconds after drying a section of hair to set the curl. The cold shot feature operates only while the cold shot button is held down. When you release the button, the hair dryer will return to the normal operation. So let's use a section. This is pretty much what I use if I use a dryer. I don't use other connections. Let's see how quickly it dries my hair. I'm gonna time it for 15 seconds. I did 23 seconds using the low heat and the low setting. So I'm gonna do low heat with high speed. Feels like almost dry, but not. My hair feels not dry, but not super wet. This hair dryer has low, medium, and high speed, but I wanted to do low and high because that's what I normally go for. Now my hair obviously looks very frizzy, so I'm gonna comb my hair and then I'm gonna go with this attachment to see if it makes a difference or not. This side from here to here, it's dry, but not the rest of my hair. And I am not a hairstylist. I don't know what I'm doing. I just do what I normally would do. So it already has the attachment ready, and then I'm gonna go with my comb. I'm gonna use low heat with high speed. So I love this hair dryer. Obviously I can't really see myself. I have this little mirror in front of me, but my hair is almost dry. The only thing that is not as dry is the ends, but it's because I'm not really paying attention to that, because since you guys can see. But seriously, my hair is almost dry. I'm going to be drying my hair with only the low temperature and the high speed with this attachment from this side of my hair. From this side of my head. So let's see how long that takes. I'm gonna time it and I'll let you guys know. So this is my outcome. It's still not 100% dry. It's probably just 70% dry. 1 minute and 30 seconds. This is what I have. Almost wet hair. But I think it's because since I can't get a right angle, I'm taking a long time. So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna try again. Like I said, you guys, the front side of my head, it's not the problem. It's the back of my head, because I have a lot of hair in the back of my head. Okay, my hair is completely dry. It took 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Actually, it's not completely dry, I lied. My ends are still, they're not wet, they're not damp, but they're almost dry. But my hair, you guys see how frizzy it looks? I wouldn't say it looks super frizzy, but it looks like I have a lot of volume or something. So it took 3 minutes and 41 seconds. I like it. I really like it. It was fast, and if you don't want to use this attachment, you don't have to. You could use a diffuser or whatever you like. It made my hair look like I have volume, even though it kind of looks borderline frizzy. But if you add hair products in your hair, it won't look so frizzy. But obviously this is just a hair dryer. You can expect to have very slick hair because it's not a flat iron. But I like it. I really like how fast it was, even with the cold side. Okay, one thing. So this is the temperature and this is the speed. I thought this was the speed and this was the temperature. I haven't used a hair dryer for a long time. Now that I think about it, why would it have low, medium, and high for speed? So that was my fault. So whenever I said I was going to use low heat and high speed, it's the opposite. So I was actually using high heat and low speed. But when I did my whole head, the bag and everything, I used low heat. I used low heat and high speed, and it did a really good job. My hair doesn't feel dry or anything. Yes. I think this hair dryer, depending on your needs, because for me, I don't want to spend 10 minutes doing my hair because my boyfriend has a hair dryer. I don't like it. I don't use it because it takes forever. Even though in my mind I'm like, okay, just use your hair dryer because it's going to take longer for you to naturally dry your hair, like air dry. But I don't like it. It doesn't have this attachment. It goes everywhere. I just don't like it. So even though it was 1 minute of doing this without the attachment, I still got the job done because sometimes I don't want to completely dry my hair. When I used to have a hair dryer, I like to make my hair, dry my hair like 80% and 20% air dry because I would find that it will give me volume when I will want to style my hair. So this is a good thing too. I still don't know what the cool thing is, the cool button is, and yeah. And the con is it doesn't tell me right here. So if I was telling you guys, I haven't used a hair dryer for a while. I didn't know what that was. I didn't know that the medium, high, and low, I forgot what it was. I forgot that the low, medium, and high was not the speed, it was the temperature. But other than that, I don't think it's super loud, in my opinion. In my opinion, I've had louder hair dryers that were slower. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, if I didn't make sense, or if you guys have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer it for you. I really like this. I really like this hair dryer. It did the job. I like that it came with 2 attachments, the diffuser and this one. I really liked that it was fast. I like that. Right now, I wanted to make it longer for the video. It's pretty much as bad as it's gonna get, 4-5 minutes. But if you do it high heat and high speed, it's gonna be faster. With the high speed and the low heat, I think it did a really good job. It didn't make my hair super. It looks a little frizzy and voluminous, but I had other hair dryers that were slower and it made my hair bigger, but not in a good way. But I don't think this is bad. I would actually walk like this out in public because I don't care. All I wanted was my hair to be dry. If it's poofy or not, it doesn't really matter to me, at least to me. But if you know how to do hair, I think this will be really good for you. The con that I don't really like, and this is because it's not really a con, it's just my preference, is that it doesn't have the temperature here. I like to control my blow dryers like I like to control my flat iron. I don't want low or high because high is high and low is low. So I like to adjust my temperature. The heat on this is pretty good, and the low is not. And the low is pretty good too. Other than that, I really like this blow dryer. If you guys have any questions, if I didn't cover something that you guys were interested, just let me know and I'll answer it for you. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bien engreñuda. This towel is pulling my hair. So yeah, this is the review on this Wazard